On the consumer side, it's actually been our partnerships with local schools and local park districts and community centers and YMCA's. A lot of our franchisees are home-based or mobile. So we actually bring the programs to different schools or park districts within a particular franchisee's territory. And what's really powerful about this is that the schools and these park districts, they have their own marketing channels that are highly targeted to parents that are already purchasing after school programs or workshops. So, when we partner with a park district, for example, I'm not sure if you ever gotten like a summer camp or a program guide from your local park district in your mail, right? And it just lists, like here's some art programs, here's some, drawing programs, here's some robotics and coding programs. So by partnering with them, we're leveraging their existing marketing channel, which is fantastic for us because marketing is one of those most ambiguous parts about starting a business, right? It's one of those things that you just don't have immediate results on.